What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I'm going to go over our friend MATIC. Currently seeing $1.50, down about 0.9 on the day. Seeing market cap of 12.8. Seeing market cap of 12.98 billion. 24-hour volume 773 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, grab up 30K in bonuses or BitKit up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email, completely free access to my Discord. I have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto, completely for free. Just email me or sign up email. So let's hop into MATIC. First scenario that I'm looking at, really you could go either way right now. But the first one is we met our wave 5 target to a T and we've seen a rejection. So we could be coming down in the wave A in a 1-2-1-2 setup, and then you see 3-4-5 to come down in a wave A. So you could give a quick wave 3 target from the top of the wave 1 to the bottom. So your wave 3 target would be about $1.35. You pull back in a 4, come down in a 5 to complete a wave A, and then you push up in a B, you come down in a wave C. That's the first scenario. The second scenario, if we were to break to the upside, if Bitcoin were to break above 25K, that this was all the wave 3, this was a wave 4 pullback, and you're still going to look to push up in a wave 5. Now, if you take a fib retracement from the bottom of wave 2 to the top of wave, if this were to be a wave 3, then you can't break 138. If you break 138, the 50% retracement, it can't be a wave 4, and higher likelihood you're going to start going through a correction. So that's your level to watch, is $1.38, the 50% retracement. It would erase a wave 4, and you'd have to be looking at us coming down in an impulsive wave A, pull back in a B, come down in a wave C. So I'm waiting on Bitcoin to see if we can break 25K. The stock market's closed today. It's a holiday, family day. Hope everyone in America and Canada are spending it with the ones they love. Yeah, so there's a little bit of uncertainty right now. I can't really give a bias towards either direction until we break a key level. Like if that $1.38 is broken, then that's confirmation. You see continuation to the downside. And if we were to break up and we break that previous high, then we could still put in a higher high in a wave 5. And I'll give you a target for that. It'd be the 618 extension, would be about $1.66, would just be absolutely insane. We are pushing into heavy resistance here for MATIC. As you can see, $1.53 is a major level of resistance. And money's flowing out on the daily time frame. So eventually this will pull back, but it does look like this is an impulsive wave 3. So basically you came up in a wave 1. This was an A, B, C into a 2, and now you're pushing up in that wave 3. I think the target was around in the $4 range. So as you can see, this does look like a wave 3. It's very impulsive. So what we're looking at here is for that wave 1 to end, and then you pull back in a wave 2, probably down to the 90 to $1 cent range, and then you'd push up in a 3, 4, 5 to take you up to that wave 3 target, which is way up in the $4 range for the price of MATIC. So that's what we're looking for. Taking a look at Ethereum, same thing. We have major resistance coming up at about 1758. So we may put in a little bit of a higher high in a wave 5. The target would be about 1781. A little bit hard for me to micro count this. If this is a wave 3, and this could be an ABC into a 4. So basically we're seeing if we can break that high. We have a bearish divergence on the 4 hour. I bet we do on the money flow as well. So we are losing strength, and yeah, money's flowing out on the 4 hour. So do keep that in mind. If we were to roll over, then we could look at the same thing we were looking at for BTC, where we already completed the 5-wave move. And this is an overshooting wave B. So you came down to wave A, wave B, look to pull back in a wave C. It all depends if we can break that previous high, which is currently at about 1743. Then you could put in a higher high in a wave 5. But if we get rejected, we start to roll over. Then potentially you could be looking at an overshooting wave B and coming down in a wave C. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. A little bit of uncertainty right now, in my opinion, in the market. Just waiting to see if BTC will break 25K, or if we'll see a strong rejection, lose key levels of support, and start to come down, which will lead to continuation to the downside for MATIC in a wave A, but if we were to break that high, then it could be that this was a wave 4 pullback and you're looking to push up to about $1.61. We'll have to see how everything plays out. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitget. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email, completely free access to over 2,000 members. Posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis, signals, crypto news. Member profits, they post their profits of their trades in here. How to all plays, all coming in at $10 a month, same price as a Netflix subscription. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, all links in the comments. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.